Still moving around pretty well for 20 years old. Now Kim, that's driving the bus, she's from Penrith. She's actually a sprint car driver. Also a mother of two, so she's got a lot of work at home. It's nice to be stress-free when she's driving these monster trucks. And I can see why they